Hi, this is Dawn and Jesse.
Hi.
From Southpaw Bushcraft. We're in my grandpa's workshop and we're gonna put some use to it. It hasn't been used much except by me since he passed away, so we're gonna go to work and get the wood out of the head of this axe head, and stay with us and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And this is the next step of our restoration of the axe that I found. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the axe head out before. That's why I cut it off, and now I'm trying to drill it out. Seems to be working so far. I'm actually planning on saving the shavings from this to put in my wax fire starters. They'll work great for that. So I'll sweep those up and use them. Everything gets recycled. Get everything drilled out that I can, and then the rest I'll go after with a file. Okay, here we go. We got it all cleaned out. It all cleaned up here pretty good. Now I'm gonna take a file here and use this round file just because it'll work good in there. And I'm gonna just clean up the inside there a little bit. And after I get that done, then I'm gonna go to the next step. So stick with me and we'll see where it goes on from here then.